Hey guys, this is Robert Fazio from Robert Fazio Math Tutoring. My website's improvemymath.com. Today I'm going to show you a strategy for using your TI graphing calculator to find factors of c when you're factoring the quadratic expression ax squared plus bx plus c. We're going to do two examples, and we'll start with the left side, x squared plus 25x plus 126. Now the first step in factoring any quadratic is looking for a greatest common factor among these three terms. We don't have one, so we go right into factoring into a product of two binomials. X squared is x times x. Then I skip to the last term. I have a positive 126. Okay, whenever this term is positive, we know both of these signs have to be the same. They have to be whatever this sign is. Okay, so if the last term's positive, both signs have to be this. So we can go ahead and put those in. Now, if you're taking a test or a quiz and you're allowed to use your calculator, I highly recommend you use this strategy I'm about to show you. If you're not allowed to use a calculator, then you have to use the old-fashioned, let's find factors of 126 that add up to get us 25. Okay, and teachers can show you some goofy diamond factor tree thing that I don't know how to use, and I just feel like takes a lot of time. Anyways, I highly recommend using this strategy if you're allowed to use your calculator. Now, what we're going to do, since we need two numbers that multiply to get us 126 and add to get us 25, we'll go into the TI graphing calculator, and we're going to go to the y equals, act like we're going to graph it. 126, okay, so we're going to put in 126 divided by x, and then we're going to use second table. Now, remember, we want two numbers that multiply to get us 126 and add to get us a 25. Everything in the x column times everything in the y column is going to get us 126, so we don't have to worry about that. All we have to do is scroll down until we see two integers that add to get us 25. So we're scrolling. Nothing's working right here. Bang, 7 plus 18 gets us a 25. Let's go back, and that's what we're going to put in. 7 plus 18 gets us 25. I already know 7 times 18 gets me 126. All right, finished. Now let's do this example when the third term is negative. Well, x squared minus 8x minus 84. Okay, no GCFs to worry about. So we go right into factoring. X squared is x times x. Now, last term is negative. Whenever this term is negative, that means both the signs have to be different. We can just go ahead and put them in. All right, we'll go back to the graphing calculator. 84 is the new c, actually negative 84. So we're going to go back to our y equals. Let's clear out this 126. We're going to go with a negative 84 divided by x, second table. Remember, everything in the x column times everything in the y column is going to equal a negative 84. We just need the two numbers to add up to get us a negative 8. Okay, let's scroll. Only interested in integers. Okay, 1 minus 84, 3 minus 28, nothing good, nothing good, nothing good. Here we go. 6 minus 14, boom. That equals negative 8. 6 gets the positive. 14 is the negative. And we're finished. We know 6 minus 14 equals negative 8, and we know 6 times negative 14 equals negative 84. That's how you use your TI calculator to get those problems solved much quicker. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check out my other videos. Have a nice day.